Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and in today's video, I've compiled 2 more meals that are going to cost under $10 each to make, and I'm going to bring you along with. So in this video, it is not going to be me shopping. It is me compiling the information from my local Walmart app, gathering all the information on the 2 meals that you're going to be seeing in the video. These, by all means, are not new ideas. They're regular ideas that people have been making for years. But I just thought I'd compile the information, and it is only with my local Walmart because that's the closest near me. If you have an Aldi's, a Costco, a Sam's, any of your local chains that you can find the ingredients cheaper, or using your own home canned ingredients that you've got sitting on the shelf, by all means do it. So let me bring you along. So here's the list of the chicken gravy over mashed potato meal. The greater value canned chicken, $2.78. Greater value gravy mixes. You're going to need 2. They're 74 cents each, times 2, $1.48. Greater value instant mashed potatoes, $1.32. Greater value frozen green beans, 98 cents. Greater value biscuits, 97 cents. And then for kind of a dessert, the greater value strawberry applesauce, $2.24. That total comes to $9.77, under $10. My state doesn't tax food, so I just want to make sure I point that out. So the chili meal with a dessert. So your ground frozen turkey meat is $2.32. Greater value petite diced tomatoes, 96 cents. Greater value tomato sauce, 96 cents. Greater value chili seasoning mix, 74 cents. Greater value kidney beans, 86 cents. Yellow onion, 78 cents, but I do have to point out that the price will vary seasonally. And instead of regular crackers, your oyster crackers are cheaper at $1.37. Greater value yellow cake mix, $1, but that will require extra ingredients in order to make that cake. So that total comes to $8.99, under $10. Okay, so I want to thank you for joining me today. I want to thank new viewers, and I want to thank those who've come back. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and subscribe to the channel. And I want you folks to make it a really great day.